Vocabulary Preview. 1. Enjoy. Like. 2. Hate. Can't stand. 3. Avoid. 4. Begin. Start. 5. Continue. Keep on. 6. Quit. Stop. 7. Consider. Think about. 8. Decide. 9. Learn. 10. Practice. Page 82. My favorite way to relax. Listen to the model.
Do you like to watch TV?
Yes, I enjoy watching TV very much. Watching TV is my favorite way to relax.
Do exercises 1 through 8. You will hear the correct line after you speak. 1. We'll begin.
Do you like to paint?
Yes, I enjoy painting very much. Painting is my favorite way to relax.
2. We'll begin.
Does Beverly like to knit?
Yes, she enjoys knitting very much. Knitting is her favorite way to relax.
3. We'll begin.
Does Kevin like to swim?
Yes, he enjoys swimming very much. Swimming is his favorite way to relax.
4. We'll begin.
Do your parents like to play golf?
Yes, they enjoy playing golf very much. Playing golf is their favorite way to relax.
5. We'll begin.
Do you and your friends like to dance?
Yes, we enjoy dancing very much. Dancing is our favorite way to relax.
6. We'll begin.
Do you like to listen to music?
Yes, I enjoy listening to music very much. Listening to music is my favorite way to relax.
7. You begin.
Does Hector like to go to the movies?
Yes, he enjoys going to the movies very much. Going to the movies is his favorite way to relax.
8. You begin.
Does Valerie like to browse the web?
Yes, she enjoys browsing the web very much. Browsing the web is her favorite way to relax.
Page 83. Enjoying life. To drive downtown. Page 84. She hates to drive downtown. Listen to the model.
Does Helen like to drive downtown?
No, she hates to drive downtown. She avoids driving downtown whenever she can.
Listen again.
Does Helen like driving downtown?
No, she hates driving downtown. She avoids driving downtown whenever she can.
In exercises 1 through 4, use the infinitive in your answer. You will hear the correct line after you speak. We'll begin. 1.
Does Albert like to travel by plane?
No, he hates to travel by plane. He avoids traveling by plane whenever he can.
2.
Do you like to go to the mall?
No, I hate to go to the mall. I avoid going to the mall whenever I can.
3.
Do your parents like to eat at fast food restaurants?
No, they hate to eat at fast food restaurants. They avoid eating at fast food restaurants whenever they can.
4.
Does Carmen like to sit in the sun?
No, she hates to sit in the sun. She avoids sitting in the sun whenever she can.